Hey everybody, and welcome back to It's Only Food with Chef John Politte. Today we're going to be showing you how to make a beet bowl. Cue the music. Alright, well I appreciate you being here today. Thanks a lot for joining. Don't forget to go down and subscribe, leave a comment, like this video, and then share this video with everybody you know. Like I said, we're going to be making a beet bowl. So let's drop down here and see what our ingredients are for this. We got 1 cup of farro. We have 1/2 of a cup of balsamic vinaigrette. We've got 1/2 cup of some goat cheese. We have got about 1/3 of a cup of some sunflower seeds. And we got about 3 cups of some cooked roasted beets that I have cut up. Now what I'm going to show you is for 1 grain bowl. This right here makes 2 grain bowls. So we'll just remember that. Recipe is down in the description box. Let's start making it. All right, get a bowl. Look it up for all the ingredients that we're going to put in there. We're going to start out, we're going to put our farro right on in. Beets. About half of what we got here. Remember, this is for 2 bowls, but we're only making 1 to show. We got our vinaigrette that we got. And you can see this video over on my channel. I'll leave a link right here for it, and it's also linked in the recipe. And a little bit of the, whoops, I'll take this, a little bit of the goat cheese on top. Some of the seeds. Did I say sunflower seeds? I can't remember if I said sunflower seeds or sesame seeds. It is sunflower seeds. If I said sesame seeds, it's not sesame seeds, it's sunflower seeds. I always, for some reason, get those mixed up. But here is our bowl. I'm going to hit it with a little bit of parsley right there to give it a nice touch. We're going to take some photos of this. We're going to come back and give it a taste. Kind of see I mixed it up just a little bit when I was looking for the shot there. But there is the beets, the dressing, the farro, the goat cheese, and a little bit of the sunflower seeds on there. So I'm going to pull back here. Another last shot at that. Man, where do I begin? Get that freshness from the beet. That vinaigrette dressing is just the balsamic in there really does a good job of complementing the beet. And you get the crunch of the farro in there, the earthy toothiness of it. The goat cheese has got a little bit of funk to it. But that dressing really just gets everything. It's that shot of that farro with some of that goat cheese and the balsamic vinaigrette. That one. Yeah, man. This is really good, really good. That balsamic is, remember that, check this video up here that I made for the balsamic vinaigrette. It's really good in more than just this. But always remember too, there's so many grains you can choose from: brown rice, quinoa, bulgur. I'm using farro. You can do a lot of different grains in there, a lot of different toppings, a lot of different cheese. You can use feta cheese. You can do nutritional yeast in there. You can do other crunchy things with other kinds of seeds, pumpkin seeds, whatever you want. But make it your own. It's just a baseline recipe for it. But you got to mix the balsamic vinaigrette that I've made with the beets. You can go from there from that. But this is a must. You have to have this vinaigrette dressing with these beets. It's really, really good. One more shot. Another look at it right there. I'm going to head out. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, leave a comment down below, and then share it with everybody.
These rappers don't listen, well let me show them something. You hear that beat bumping, bumping from the soul kitchen. Now what you fixing up? Good food, soul food, come and pick it up. These rappers don't listen, well let me show them something. You hear that beat bumping, bumping from the soul kitchen.